Welcome to my review of GetResponse, a leading email marketing platform that offers a comprehensive suite of features. From its robust email automation to user-friendly landing page creation, GetResponse promises to streamline your online marketing efforts. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform, showing its key features and usability, so you can determine if it's the right fit for your business. First off, the interface of GetResponse is clean and easy to navigate. When you first sign up, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that clearly presents all your options, from creating email campaigns to managing contacts and analyzing reports. Setting up a new campaign is straightforward. Whether you're building an email series or sending a single message, GetResponse makes the process intuitive. One of the standout features of GetResponse is its automation tools. With the ability to create complex workflows based on user behavior, you can deliver personalized content to your subscribers at the right time. This makes it perfect for businesses looking to automate their email marketing efforts while keeping things relevant and engaging for their audience. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Another feature worth mentioning is GetResponse's landing page creator. It allows you to build and customize high-converting pages without needing any coding skills. You can choose from a variety of templates, and the drag-and-drop editor makes customization a breeze. Whether you're promoting a product, collecting leads, or hosting a webinar, GetResponse's landing page tool has you covered. Speaking of webinars, GetResponse also offers a built-in webinar feature. You can host live sessions directly within the platform, which is a huge advantage for businesses looking to engage with their audience in real time. The webinar tool is easy to use and integrates seamlessly with other features, like email marketing and automation. When it comes to pricing, GetResponse offers several tiers depending on the size of your email list and the features you need. Their plans are competitive with other email marketing services, and they also provide a 30-day free trial, so you can test out the platform before committing. In conclusion, GetResponse is a solid choice for email marketing and online business growth. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger marketing team, it offers a comprehensive set of tools to create effective campaigns, manage leads, and analyze your results. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts and enhance your online presence, GetResponse could be exactly what you need. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips on the best tools for online businesses.